Okay, Lance, if you're wanting to make a form that will not allow students to submit it until all of the answers are correct, you would go through and you would type in your question. So if we're saying what is 10 plus 10, you could leave it as a multiple choice and give them the options. Or if you want them to come up with it on their own, you could do short answer. The key is to have response validation. So for response validation, if the number or the regular expression, depending on what you need, is equal to, and then what the response is. So the important thing to know is that you have to kind of add something different here. So because if you don't, it will say your number has to be equal to 20, which gives them the answer. But if you do try again, it should work. So let's take a look and see by clicking the preview text. And so maybe a kid thinks it's 12. When they try to submit, it just says try again. So then when they get it correct, it will allow them to submit it. Now you can either do an entire form like this with lots of questions and it will just show that please try again for each one that they get wrong, or you can also do something where you would add a section, and then this is where they would have to go to, like, if they get this question right, then they go on to the next one. So if you wanted to do skills that build, you could do this way. Or if you just want it to be easier, you could just make a whole bunch of questions in the same section. Let me know if this does not help and what a more specific question is, and I can tweak a response.